Hello and welcome to the OWC instructional series of videos. In this installment, we'll be replacing the hard drive in a mid-2010 15-inch MacBook Pro. We've already gathered our materials, shut down the MacBook Pro, and have placed it on a soft, static-free work surface. We are now ready to begin. The first step is to close the MacBook Pro and flip it over. On the bottom are 10 Phillips screws. The 3 in the upper right are longer than the others, so remove those first. You can now remove the remaining 7 screws, which are all the same size. When lifting the cover off, there will be some snaps holding it in, so you may have to gently pull a bit to free them. The hard drive is located in the lower left corner. To detach the hard drive, we must first remove the retainer bar, which is held in place by 2 Phillips screws. Once you've removed the retainer bar, lift up on the plastic tab to pull the hard drive out of the bay. Then, gently detach the SATA connector. On the hard drive, first gently peel off the plastic tab. Once that's done, there are 4 Torx T6 mounting pins which we'll need to remove. You can now set the hard drive aside and prep the new drive. You can install either a standard 2.5-inch hard drive or a 2.5-inch solid-state drive in the drive bay. For this installation, we are installing an OWC Mercury Extreme Pro SSD. Hold the new drive with the top facing toward you and the SATA connector facing straight up. Then, rotate it 90 degrees counterclockwise. Attach the plastic tab on this edge by pressing it firmly against the drive. There should be enough residual adhesive to allow it to stick. Next, attach the 4 Torx T6 mounting pins to these 4 holes. The drive is now ready to install. Line up the SATA connector on the drive with the MacBook Pro's cable and gently slide the two together. Next, slide the 2 pins closest to you into the grommets on the MacBook and angle the drive so that it lays flush in the bay. Finally, replace the retaining bar and tighten the 2 screws. You may now place the bottom cover back into place. Press down in these 2 spots to secure the 2 snaps. Reinsert the 3 longer screws into the upper right corner. Then, replace the remaining 7 screws. You may now flip your MacBook Pro over, open it up, and turn it on.